beautiful salt. Sauerkraut or red cabbage is in there for 4 weeks. Today it's the 4-week anniversary.
Happy birthday.
And we're gonna try this right now. Do you want to open it?
Nah, I'm a bit afraid. Like, you gotta, like...
Splashing around?
Well, there's gas getting out, so...
I know that.
I'm scared for my hand. Was that bad? Watch out for the juice. Don't choose it.
Yes. Something happened in there. I don't know if that's supposed. If that's the way that it's supposed to smell like, but it looks pink. Wait, let me show you. This is the result after 4 weeks of fermentation. It definitely looks fermented and it smells fermented. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it because actually I don't like sauerkraut that much. But that's the first one that we fermented at home and it's the first red cabbage or red sauerkraut that I'm trying. Let's do this. Ooh, I'm a little bit scared.
It's still crunchy.
It's sour.
It's sauerkraut.
Salty a little bit.
Not too much?
No.
Okay.
But it's not that bad. It's okay.
Is it pickly?
Yeah.
Ah, that's good.
That smells like pickled cabbage.
Yeah.
Actually, way better than all the sour. Wasn't that much, but I tried sauerkraut in the.
Twice in my life.
I tried sauerkraut for a couple of times in my life, but always from the store, of course. The white sauerkraut, and it definitely tasted worse than this one. So if you don't like sauerkraut from the store, like me, try it at home.
Wow, the color is
That's a mouthful.
so freaking amazing! Look at it! Okay. It's a mouthful?
Yes.
Okay. I find it
Too crunchy?
too salty.
Yeah, it is salty.
A bit too crunchy. Next time I would chop it like even thinner and use some of the brine. That's a tip when you make your own sauerkraut. Like use the brine that's left from like pickles when you buy them in a jar, like a glass jar. Keep the brine at the end with the mustard seed and whatever, all the spices that are in there, and then use them to make your fermented cabbage so that it gets that pickly taste. But it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
I could eat 1 or 2 tablespoons of this without vomiting, so that's a good sign.
That's encouraging.
Making sauerkraut at home is actually super simple. If you want to know how we did ferment this red cabbage 4 weeks ago, then check out the next clip.
Making your own sauerkraut is really no big deal. You're gonna go ahead and pick a big head of red cabbage. Make sure to chop everything finely. You can also add some different spices of your choice, some peeled carrots, and then you're gonna pick a bowl where you're gonna put everything inside and make sure to add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt. Here it was Himalayan salt, and that was for a portion of about 300 grams of red cabbage and including our carrots. Then I just mixed and massaged everything to really make sure that the water gets out of those veggies. And once this is the case, I'm going to take everything and put it in a jar. I'm going to make sure that the liquid that get out comes into the jar as well. And to really get all the liquid we can out of this. We're gonna add some weight on top, so make sure to leave a big leaf of red cabbage on top and then put a weight on top of this. Leave it for a couple of hours, and then you may add some water to make sure that everything stays immersed underwater. Then you can close your jar, wait for about 5 to 6 weeks, maybe even, and then that's the result. You can use your sauerkraut in many dishes with your hummus and in some salad wraps like this, for example, and enjoy it. On that day, which was actually the day of, well, the deconfinement, if we can call it that way. Some spots like calisthenics parks were reopen, and we got the chance to train outside, and it was just such a delight, such a freedom, which sometimes we really take for granted. So I think, I hope this corona time really allows some people to think about all the privileges that we have and not to take them for granted, to be thankful for everything that we have and not necessarily think about what we do not have. I think one of the most important things is definitely your health and your physical capabilities, knowing that you wake up every morning and that you can still breathe and move your body, get really active and get these moves in your day. And I think that's gonna be it for today. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a thumbs up or a comment, and make sure to share the video and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.